One of the strategic priorities of Nat Tools Group is to reduce the number of workplace accidents to achieve a safer working environment. It has been shown that the most common types of sick leave causes are fatigue, overexertion, bumps, small cuts, and falling objects. A new safety program called the Zero Campaign has been launched with an objective to reduce accidents. The campaign includes defining an overall safety policy, including safety in lean, promoting a prevention culture, and providing safety training for employees. The goal of the program is to promote a safe work environment. The Zero Campaign has three main components designed to involve the complete organization. The components are physical, systems, and cultural change. The first component is the physical aspect, which refers to the facilities at the Legazpi plant, the machinery in the factory, the work tools, and finally, the various equipment used on production lines. Internal progress is very important, which is the reason we have made numerous improvements to our physical properties. However, this is not enough. We want to go further. To this end, we are devoting time and resources for investing, adapting, and upgrading the physical elements. The second major component involves the systems. We want the entire safety area to be included in the lean strategy. Various techniques are being employed. One example is with the 5S. We are changing the facilities and creating new habits associated with organization, order, cleanliness, and visual control. Significant improvements have been made since it was implemented. Similarly, we have adapted informational notice boards in all work areas and are organizing meetings with the teams, along with other activities. However, we want to focus on investigating the accidents because this is where we want to set up a new management system so that we can work directly with the affected employees. In the event of an accident, the worker will be included in the investigation along with the corresponding team. In this way, working together, we can determine what has happened and how it can be prevented in the future. We will make every attempt to get the worker's testimony as soon as possible, not waiting until after their sick leave. This ensures collecting the information while it is still fresh and remembered more easily before critical facts may be forgotten. The final component to the Zero Campaign is cultural change. As you know, for some time now we have been working on the definition of a global culture through values for the whole organization, thus making the integration of the business units and the growth of the group easier. We are going to work hard to make sure everyone is aware of and upholds a prevention culture so that we are all committed to working together to guarantee a safer work environment. The Zero Campaign also highlights individuals' behavior as being important, which is why we think the following practices are of vital significance. Using the personal protective equipment, or PPEs. Following the safety protocols when using machinery and tools. Order and cleanliness of the work post to minimize occupational hazards. Being careful in the workplace. Information and training. We will have the assistance of IMQ to assess safety levels so that we can then take more specific measures. In addition to that, we will ask each employee to complete a questionnaire to determine their views and opinions of our safety conditions. Along with that, we are studying the safety management and successful practices of other companies. This has enabled us to identify systems such as DOJO, a classroom equipped for safety education, with information about the production lines, the potential hazards, and the PPEs to use. Training courses will be provided in this classroom. The Zero campaign is designed to help us work together for a safer work environment because we are all collectively responsible for our health and safety. Throughout the company, we share the same objective with a goal of 0 accidents. All employees are important to us, and we are counting on you.